right. Well, Derek, thanks for joining today.
Oh, you're welcome, Steve.
At the end of the podcast, we normally have an Ask Steve question. And the question that came in today was, what are the best practices for defragmenting indexes? And can this cause corruption? And since you're the guest, Derek, you want to take a shot at that one?
I'll take the first shot at it. And you actually touched on it, I think, earlier in our discussion. Is rebuilding indexes is not going to cause corruption. However, it can make a problem worse. So if you have that underlying IO problem, and you and I have seen this a few times, it was caused during an index rebuild. The index rebuild wasn't what caused the problem, but the problem was already existing, and because of that all extra IO, that's when the problem originated. So it won't cause the problem, but it can bring the problem out, if that makes sense.
Yeah, if you're already having some issue, probably IO related, that's causing the corruption, anything that's changing large amounts of data can make it worse. And whether you're doing just an update on a table or you're rebuilding indexes, yes, that can make it worse. However, on a regular basis, I would never recommend staying away from defragmenting indexes to prevent corruption. Now, if you do have corruption, you already know about it, one of the first things I would do is turn off some of those index rebuilding jobs and some of the things that are going to put a lot of load on that database and cause a lot of IO, because yes, that would make it worse at that point. But no, doing good index and statistics maintenance is never going to be the cause of corruption. Something else may be failing on your system that causes it. All right, well, I think that wraps it up.